So, you are now an affiliate marketer. Congratulations! Now, maybe you are thinking of product research. Okay, in this video, I will give you tips on how to do product research correctly. Let's go! We need to log in first to our account. Open your browser, then go to involved.asia, then click Enter. I will click Login. On the top menu, I will go to Partner, then I will click My Advertisers. And I will select here Shopee as our example. I will click this. And here, you can see the details like the commission, the conversion, the validation term, and the payment term. And here, you can see the details about where you can promote, like social messenger apps, social media like Facebook, Twitter, and other promotion methods. Other details like the cookie period, you can find it here below. I will click the preview site. Now here, we can see the different categories of products. Pwede kang pumili dito kahit alin at kahit ano ang gusto mong i-promote sa iyong Facebook or sa iba mong social media account. So when I am doing product research in Shopee or Lazada and other publishers, I always consider the following. First, the number of sold, at least sold to thousands. Second, the ratings, at least 4.7 stars or higher. Third, the price should be reasonable. Fourth, the number of stocks. Make sure there are enough available stocks. And the fifth, the reviews. This is very important. I always look for positive reviews. Okay, let's try this bag as our example. Let's check the details here. The number of sold items seems okay. Let's check this out. The ratings, okay, 4.9. The price, it's viable and reasonable. The number of stocks, okay, so dapat marami. And of course, the reviews. Make sure it's positive reviews. Pag may negative review, think twice. So here, it's all good. So, we'll get this. And that's it. Watch out for our next video.